Today, we're going to bring a keyboard, a wireless keyboard. Now, this one works with Bluetooth and actual USB. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get. Before we start, I just want to let you know that this does not come with batteries. You have to require two AAA batteries installed, and then there's an off and on button on the top. All right, so we're going to take a look at some of the features. First of all, beautiful aesthetic colors that they have. They have multiple colors. Now, if you guys can see, there is an actual mesh in front of it, and this is a plastic silicone to cover your actual keyboard. If you notice, I do have dog hair everywhere, pretty much dust all over the place because I do have a dog, but look at this. Doesn't mess around with your actual keyboard. It covers it pretty good. If you're going to eat over it or spill something, this is the perfect way to actually keep your keyboard safe. Now, on top of it, there's an indentation here, and this is where you actually could set up your phone or your iPad. And we're going to test one out too. Now, in the back of it, this is where the batteries go. And then it does have some rubber ends. You can't lift anything. It's just pretty much ergonomical, some certain degree for your actual hand. So you could rest it. Very simple. Typing it, very simple. We're going to test it out, the audio too. All right, audio test on keyboard. It's not bad. This is with the actual plastic cover, with the silicone cover, and we're going to remove the silicone cover just a little bit and see how it sounds. It's a little louder like this. So with the actual cover, it's a lot quieter. So this muffles a lot of the sound. Very good. My USB on my computer because I am using the keyboard, but the USB actually retains here if you're going to travel, not to forget it. So if you ever forget it, you can always go Bluetooth. All right, we're going to turn it on. And we're going to do the Bluetooth on there, all right? And we're going to go ahead and hold the Bluetooth button. And then we can see it's going to start blinking right here. It starts blinking right there. So let's go ahead and set up our iPad. So on the iPad, if you guys can see, we found the actual Bluetooth connection. So we're going to go ahead and hit connect. And we're going to let it sync. And it says pair. We're going to pair it. All right, we got our Bluetooth set up in here. And we're able to type away. So let's go ahead and open the internet. I'm going to type, and very simple. I'm typing away. So this only has one Bluetooth, but you can always set up a phone at the same time. Look at that. You'll be working on your iPad, typing away, and without any disturbance. So the iPad has plenty of room here. Plus, you got extra space for your phone, so you could be watching a TV show or something while you're working at it. So not just taking your iPad everywhere, but you can actually work as a computer. Very simple. I like the setup that you could set up your phone and also your iPad in there. Easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.